Who doesn't love the little smiley face called Amazon Alexa? That's right, I said it, Alexa. Sorry if your devices are going off right now, but we don't have one of those devices set up down here where we are living. But as you can see here, you can actually set up some automations with Amazon Alexa through their app, or also kind of corresponding it to the tower, the Alexa Smart Hub as well. But if I come in here, just kind of demonstrating on my screen, this is a screen mirroring of my iPhone, but I have these top 4 settings. You have end of intermission, movie break, the movie ended, and movie night. These are all settings or things that I have set up on for the VOPLLS Projector. However, this does not correspond to the Wake Me Up or the Wake on LAN. This can be enabled without setting up those settings. On our VOPLLS Projector, as you can see right here, we have an Amazon Fire Stick. This is plugged into the HDMI port. It does use its own dedicated power cable, which is plugged into the wall. And sadly, you can't plug it into one of the USB ports for charging. But as you can see, it's plugged in. And if we go back over here with these different settings, so like if I click on movie night, it will turn on the VOPLLS Projector and it'll automatically power it on to the Alexa or the Prime Video, the Fire Stick settings. If I do the movie ended, it's supposed to turn on some lights and then potentially turn off the projector as well. Movie break is essentially the intermission aspect, but it'll pause the movie or the show that we have playing, and it'll turn on the lights. And then end of intermission, kind of the opposite. It'll turn off the lights again and then resume playing the video. And so I can say different phrases to our Alexa to enable that, or in this case, I will click the button from my phone. But I'm hoping one day, once we have an actual home theater set up, we have some smart lights or maybe some like those LED strips along the wall to kind of give you that full movie experience, or movie theater experience, that these automations will kind of play a key role with that. But hopefully that kind of gives someone an idea, and I'll showcase here in a moment pushing some of these different buttons and how that looks.